Hey kids! Welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great! Let's go!
We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going!
Some sounds are short, which is Mizuna's peeing sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Ella the One's pooping sound effect. And some sound effects are very long, which is Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all over the place. Let's talk about sound effects.
In today's talking about sound effect is the 1-minute farting sound effect from Mocha. Hello guys, it's me, IRL Noella, and tomorrow is baby Alana's first birthday. Today, I will be talking about the 1-minute farting sound effect from Mocha. It's from a video called Gassy Afternoon, Gotcha Fart. That video was uploaded on 2022, June 8th. The duration of the sound effect is 7 to 109. The total seconds from the video are 1 minute and 2 seconds, 62 seconds. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my OCs, characters, and the number blocks when they poop in the toilet. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Mocha before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here and it will be in the description below. The sound effect starts at 7 and ends at 109. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in the next episode.